The DJI Mini 3 is a compact and beginner-friendly drone packed with powerful features for stunning aerial photography and videography. Weighing under 249 grams, it doesn't require FAA registration for recreational use. Capture breathtaking footage with 4K HDR video and true vertical shooting, perfect for social media posts. Its 38-minute flight time, extendable to 51 minutes with the Intelligent Flight Battery Plus, and 10-kilometer HD video transmission let you explore farther with confidence. Designed for stability, the Mini 3 features a 3-axis gimbal and level 5 wind resistance, ensuring smooth, high-quality imagery in diverse conditions. Users love the DJI Mini 3's lightweight design, making it portable and easy to fly without the need for FAA registration. The 4K HDR video quality is a standout feature, delivering clear, vibrant footage even in challenging lighting. Many highlight the true vertical shooting, which simplifies creating social media-ready content. The drone's 38-minute flight time and 10-kilometer video transmission range provide extended exploration capabilities, while beginner-friendly features like GPS return to home and auto takeoff landing inspire confidence among first-time pilots. Some users noted that while the DJI Mini 3 performs well, its Intelligent Flight Battery Plus, which extends flight time to 51 minutes, adds weight, requiring FAA registration. A few mention that wind resistance, though adequate at level 5, may struggle in strong gusts. Additionally, some users wished for more advanced obstacle avoidance features, which are limited compared to higher-end models. Despite these minor concerns, the drone is still praised for its impressive performance and ease of use. The DJI Mini 3 is a versatile, beginner-friendly drone that excels in portability and functionality. With 4K HDR video, true vertical shooting, and extended flight capabilities, it's an excellent choice for capturing high-quality aerial footage. While its wind resistance and lack of advanced obstacle avoidance may present minor limitations, its lightweight design and user-friendly features make it a standout option for recreational pilots and content creators alike. For more info and in-depth insights, catch the detailed review on Gen X Reviewer.